but I want you to talk about backlinks and why Doctor's Choice Awards is a backlink that will increase your likelihood of getting on page one when someone's looking for a dentist in your community.
Absolutely. Gary's going on a little bit of a tangent, but I think it's a good tangent. So one of the keys for SEO is who's linking to you, right? So let's say you have a Doctor's Choice Awards page and you have these 10 wonderful reviews from 10 doctors. That page will have a link back to your website. That's called a backlink. Because it's an authority website where it only features doctors and there are thousands and thousands of pages, a link that is relevant and from a high authority site like Doctor's Choice Awards will help you significantly from an SEO standpoint. Yes, it's only one of many links, but it's a powerful link. So did I
Yeah, you met the time limit. There's a lot more you could talk about that, but yes. Basically what Google sees is that your website's not in a vacuum, but in fact, it's linked to other websites that make you more of an authority in the eyes of Google. Did I say that in a way that makes that's accurate, Naren?
Absolutely. So Google looks at these links, and the more quality links you have, the more Google authority that Google believes you are. So,
yeah, and it enhances your likelihood of getting on page one. And if you're in a even a medium-sized town, certainly if you're in a large town or if you're in the cities, it's not easy to get on page one. So quality backlinks is another way that you get on page one.